Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix issues with your Apple Watch 8 cannot receive WhatsApp notifications. So first we need to check on your mobile device. So on the iPhone here, first let's go back to the home screen and go into settings. In settings you need to go down and tap on notifications, then swipe up and go down and tap on WhatsApp. At the top here, make sure allowed notifications is switched on. Then we go down and check the banner style, check sounds is turned on, and then at the top here turn on lock screen, notification center and banners. Now we go down and tap on WhatsApp notification settings, and in here make sure you allowed show notifications for messages. Choose a sound and then go down and make sure any of the notifications is turned on and not switch off. And in here we got in-app notifications, tap on that and make sure sounds and vibrate is also turned on. And alert style, make sure it is not set to none, select banner or alerts and then tap on the back. And when you have your phone switch off or locked and on your Apple Watch, when there is a new message, it should alert on your phone and on your watch as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.